right, today we're doing cosplay, and here we are with some fabric markers. Now, this is two sides of the tips, all right, and plenty cars. 24 colors, two sides. You got a fine tip and a brush tip. This is the brush tip, and then we had the fine tip. And if you guys are gonna do cosplay and need to color your fabric, like here we are, we're gonna go ahead and color it in. And she already started here, if you guys can see it. Now, they do soak up, so you got to be careful how you're using them and make sure that you shake them once in a while, and that's it. But pretty much they work very simple, and you can get out of the lines. So we'll show you the final product. This is going to be tedious work. This is going to be a lot of work. So instead of using paints and other types of chemicals, this is a perfect. It's made for fabric, dual tip fabric markers, 24. And it gives you a little demo. So we'll show you guys at the end how it works and how it looks. All right, this is the cosplay. It's coming out really good. Now, my recommendation is, like, once you do this, let it dry up for a couple minutes before you start putting it on. And that's pretty much it. It dries up almost immediately on some of them, but it's looking great. So if you guys are looking for something for fabric painting, I hope you guys enjoy the video.